Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a dinosaur egg. Okay, you're going to be using 2 cups of plaster and 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water and 2 plaster.
Okay, now you're going to go ahead and give it a shake. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fill the balloon. Remember not to overfill your balloon. Okay, twist your balloon. And you're going to place it over the tip of the bottle. Now you're gently going to pour your mixture into the balloon. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and tie your balloon. And you're going to mix it for about 15 minutes. Shake it back and forth. Also remember when it's really good to use that bottle because you don't want none of the plaster going down your drain. No, it's going to cause a bigger problem. So just keep mixing it. After you let it set for an hour, you're going to go ahead and remove the balloon. If everything was done right, this is going to be your final product. On this one we drew a dinosaur and we did 3 layers of paint, and we will show you the final product. And this is our final product. We did ours for our baby shower.